Alright, so we're here in the rain. We're doing some air layering of the Barbados cherry tree. Already got one done. Got the umbrella above me, protecting us from the rain. Alright, so now we're about to do this one here. This branch. I really should just prune it and take it off, but instead of taking it off, we're just gonna go ahead and do an air layer. So in a month and a half from now, we should have roots, and we'll then cut it off. Yep. Got a couple of them I gotta do. Alright. Oh, let me continue. Okay, so I went ahead and carved 2 rings, peeled off the bark, and wet the inner bare bark, and then put on some root hormone powder, and came down here. That peat soil is very fluffy and dry. You just gotta mix it with a little bit of water. But it's very bare, and it doesn't have any other chemicals or anything else with it. So you fill a Ziploc bag up with it and cut a slit in it. And now we're just gonna go ahead and put it in. Pretty much you're gonna go like that. You open up the plastic and then you wrap it with 1 layer of aluminum and put zip ties at the ends, and then add a second layer of aluminum all the way around to make it look pretty and protected. Alright, let's do that now. Okay, we got the first layer on now. Now I'm gonna add the second layer on top to seal it completely. Okay, there you go. Now the second layer is all the way sealed. And then we'll go ahead and add some aluminum, just a little, the little things for the bread. Okay, there it is. Now the top is tied and the bottom. So now we have 2 of them done. We still have about 4 more to do here. We'll probably do this one here. And that one. Too far out and it's blocking the path. So for sure that one's gonna go. Okay, be back soon. Alright, so that's pretty much it. We did 4 of them. We got this one here, that one, this one, and one over there. So that should take about 2 months. About a month and a half, 2 months. That'll be full of roots inside. Then we'll prune it here. And then this whole thing here will be a brand new tree. And then we'll put it in a container. Have berries. Alright. Well, so you could do this at home too. Instead of pruning and throwing away all your limbs, you could actually just air layer them, and then you'll be able to have more trees in containers or plant them on your property. Alright, thanks for checking in again. Until next time, ciao.